Hi, Sam here, Refrigerator Trim Kits. And in this video, I want to describe how to select the trim kit, how to order the trim kit. So selection, you can do a couple of different ways. One, probably the easiest way is to take a little 2-minute quiz we developed that'll walk you through some questions and then spit out a product link at the end that'll get you to the right product. The other option is to just browse our different kits and kit options and select that using the descriptions and pictures and things like that. So those are the two selection options. And then ordering, we've tried to make fairly straightforward. The retrofit types of kits, which are made to go into existing cabinets and refrigerators, do require a few dimensions. But again, we've made a video on each product listing that's going to walk you through how to measure for those different dimensions and get us the proper measurements. And then on the new construction kits, if you're building new cabinets as part of your project, we don't require a lot of information on that. What we do is we provide a spec sheet that you can download for your builder or your cabinet maker or yourself, so that when they build those cabinets, they're gonna give you that nice built-in look after our trim kit is installed. So those are those two processes. And if you have any questions or comments, we're always here to help. You can reach us at support@refrigeratortrimkits.com. Thanks.